Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna do a quick sound test and share my thoughts on this budget JWK T1. These switches are sold at a surprisingly low price at 90 Malaysian cents per switch and estimated to be around 2 to 3 US dollars for a pack of 10. Yeah, so the price got me curious and I've decided to cop some myself and try them out. Personally, I've not tried many tactile switches, but I'll try my best to explain what it feels like. The JWK T1s are hella tactile. They're bloody tactile. The tactile bumps are very tall bumps and hard springs. I think typing on these switches can get really tiring after a while. They're factory lubed, but I think it's better to re-lube them for lesser scratchy sounds and also a more smoother typing experience. Overall, I think the JWK T1s are worth getting, but do keep in mind these are really springy, hard, tactile switches. Typing on them is like sending your fingers to the gym. Anyways, I'll end this video with the sound test. I'll be testing them on my spray painted GMMK PRO. Feel free to tell me what you think of my real white GMMK PRO.